Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video we'll be showing you guys how to change your Spotify account's email. If you want to update your Spotify account's email, here's how you can do it just in a few steps. First of all, go ahead and open your Spotify app, and now on the top right corner of your phone you'll see the option of your initial that you have in your account. Now go ahead and click on settings and privacy, then click on account. Now right here you'll see email. Now click on email, and then you can just go ahead and change your email from right over here. Now change your email to whichever email you would like to change it to. Go ahead and click on the option of save profile, and that's it. Your Spotify email is now updated and ready to go. I hope this video helped you get back into your Spotify's account, and hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next